Hello everyone. So this is Ashok Raj. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what is condenser approach temperature in water cooled chiller. Okay. So in simple word, the condenser approach temperature is the temperature difference between the liquid as well as the water. So liquid temperature and refrigerant temperature difference between these two, it is called as condenser approach temperature. Okay. So as you know, if you are taking a condenser in water cooled chiller, there are two thing will come and enter from the condenser. One is refrigerant, another one is liquid. Okay, so refrigerant it is coming from the compressor, like high pressure, high temperature vapor refrigerant. It is coming towards the condenser, and it will get condensed from vapor to liquid. It get condensed in the condenser coil, and while it is leaving from the condenser, it will be becoming a high pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant or saturated refrigerant. Okay, so this is the refrigerant, and another end, and the water which coming from the water cooled chiller. Okay, it is coming inside the condenser coil, and it is going back to the condenser coil, cooling tower again, with absorbing all the heat which in the refrigerant. Okay, it will absorb the heat from the refrigerant, and it will emitting into the atmosphere. Okay, the liquid, water. Okay, the water will absorb all the heat from the refrigerant, and it is getting released into the atmosphere. So this is the process. This is a process, as you are aware of about this process. Here, the condenser approach temperature, as I told, it is the liquid refrigerant temperature difference between liquid refrigerant temperature minus condenser water leaving temperature. It means that the water which absorbing the heat and it is going back to the cooling tower, right? That temperature, and the refrigerant which leaving from the condenser, like is saturated condenser refrigerant, right? That temperature. Between these difference between these things, condenser approach temperature, right? So generally, the people who managing the water cooled chiller, they always keep on observing the condenser approach temperature. Generally, what will happen in earlier model cooling tower, there will not be any RTD sensor, or otherwise we have to put IR gun and we have to measure it for the temperature, like liquid, refrigerant temperature as well as the water temperature. But nowadays we are replacing the RTD sensor is a PD100 or PD1000 platinum thermistor 100 or platinum thermistor resistor, platinum thermistor 1000. They will place the sensor at this two section, and it will keep on measuring the temperature, and it will get displayed in the your display, where you can able to see the condenser approach temperature as well. Whether if the condenser approach temperature is reaching 4 or beyond the 4, and it means that your condenser coil clogged. The condenser coil scale formed in the condenser coil. So you have to immediately shut down your chillers, and you have to clean the condenser coil with the help of the chemical. Or otherwise, if it is a modern system, and definitely you may have the ATCS, like online automatic tube cleaning system, where there are a small synthetic ball will be sending into the water line, and it will goes to the condenser coil, and it will remove the scale formed inside the condenser coil, and it will help to increase the heat transfer efficiency. Clear? So condenser approach temperature is help us to let us know that whether we have to clean the condenser coil or not, whether the condenser it is efficiently working or not. So all the things we came to know by with the help of the condenser approach temperature. So condenser approach temperature is much important in the water cooled chiller. While in order to save the energy, see, if the heat transfer is not properly happening, no, and generally it will consume more energy. Why? Because it keep on running in order to in order to achieve your set point, right? In order to remove the heat from the building heats. Okay, so that's what about condenser approach temperature. So definitely you will got some idea about what is condenser approach temperature and where we have to measure it. Okay, so we no need to measure it. It is already sensor is placed, inbuilt sensor is available nowadays in all the chiller, and it will keep on displaying the condenser approach temperature in the display. And based on the temperature, you have to act, either you have to shut down or otherwise you have to activate ATS, online auto tube cleaning system. It in order to descaling your descaling your things. Okay, so generally the people will ask other question also, why the scaling is forming inside the condenser coil. It's because of the two reasons. One is your water cooled chiller is the your cooling tower is a open circuit. Okay, your water circuit is a open circuit, so a lot of foreign particle may come inside in the air and it will get accumulated in the water. That is one reason. Another one is the water which you are using, and they have a lot of minerals. Okay, that minerals will get over the period it will form the layer inside the condenser tube, and again the heat transfer efficiency will get reduced. So because of this reason only we want to do the descaling at the regular period if the condenser approach temperature is beyond the limit, reaching its limits. Okay, hope you understand about condenser approach temperature, and if you have any doubts on this, please comment in the comment section, and we will try to address your queries. Okay, bye, have a nice day.